Okay, so hey guys. So today I have not done a lot outside of the house for House of Tribes out at Gizmo's Galleria in Brownsburg. I have been on the phone, making phone calls. I have been on the internet. I have been on Amazon, excuse me, and looking for equipment, supplies, materials, and things like this, because for the next phase that I have to build in the booth, okay, my booth space. So where I sell international, which is cultural goods, as well as vintage, nostalgia. I sell home goods. I sell fashion attire, clothing, and accessories, and bags, and wall art to hang in your home, in your space, and just about anything you can think of that is ornate, handmade, of wood, ceramic, fabric. I love textures and color and all of these fun things to make your life that much more beautiful, right? So know that that is what I do. By the way, for those of you who don't know, I am Renee the reseller, and I'm a new booth vendor out at Gizmo's Galleria in Brownsburg. I believe it's 1012 Main Street. Okay, and so come out there and see me. I'm the last booth on the left on Leonardo Way. They call the aisles inside Gizmo street names. They've labeled them street names. And my street name is Leonardo Drive. No, it's Leonardo Way. Okay? So come in and see me. You'll be glad you did. So now what we're going to do today is we are going to, I have to make some kind of fixtures to hang my purses from, the rafters that I built and installed in my booth. So I am going to take blocks like these. I cut these for something else. I don't know what it was for, but or whatever. But these were leftover scraps that I had in the garage, pieces of wood. Isn't it beautiful, by the way? Don't you just love wood? I am a sucker for some wood, okay? I just am. I wish I understood how to work with it better, and I intend on learning, taking some classes in the future. But I found this scrap piece as well, and as you can tell, I marked it. I've marked it up, and I'm going to cut 8 more pieces very similar to these. Now these are a little bit shorter, about a ½ inch shorter than these two. This piece of 2x4 is. And so I don't know where I got these from or what it came off of. But at any rate, I'm going to use those 2 pieces. I'm going to cut 8 more pieces from here. I'm going to attach round coasters that I have purchased earlier today on Amazon to the fronts of these wood pieces. And they're going to be about 4 inches round. And I'm going to nail them together, and I'm going to then, on the planks that are hanging in my booth, I'll call them the rafters, I'm going to attach the coaster to the front of this. I'm going to take this, put it on the rafter, and then nail it together. And then I'm going to hang the purse between the round coaster and the plank with the purse, what am I trying to say, straps, okay, with the purse straps, and they'll hang from there. And by the way, I am going to cut off these edges, and I'm going to round them so that they won't be so harsh or unkind to the purse straps as they hang from the rafters on display, hopefully for your purchase, for you to peruse and shop and hopefully buy. Okay, so here we go. So I've come out here, I've got my shoes on, and I always use this can of paint. I use cans of paint for all kinds of stuff, y'all. I use them to hold doors open. I use them to keep doors from smashing into the walls when you open them. If there's no doorstop behind the door or whatever, I use them for all kinds of crap. I mean, they're freaking awesome. Okay, so anyway, here is my saw. It's already on, by the way, and it shouldn't have been. So, but anyway, I am going to go ahead and start to now saw the pieces off to separate the little wood pieces. Okay, and once I am done, I will come back and show you exactly how things have gone. All right. Okay.